Hello everyone, welcome to our blog Life and Dubai Daily segment. Today I'm super excited because we are going to explore the most convenient way to travel in Dubai, that's Dubai Metro. If you are first time traveling to Dubai, then this video is for you. We will be guiding a step-by-step ways to travel from Dubai airport to Shoba metro station, which is near to Dubai Marina, the famous iconic place. So let's get started. So here we are at Dubai International Airport, Terminal 1, or you can be in Terminal 3 also. So from here I will be guiding you how to catch a metro from airport till Shoba. Here you can see an excellent signing board which can guide you to the metro station. Just follow the sign on metro station and it will take you to the entrance of the metro. Before getting the metro, let's talk about the tickets. So you can go to a ticket counter or a vending machine where you can get a option for tickets. For tickets there is an option. You can have a single ticket, a day pass or a annual card which you can be recharged whenever required. In metro you can buy a normal standard ticket or a gold ticket. It's a different compartment. You can go to a vending machine which is user friendly. For us, we'll take a single ticket. The destination is Soma metro station. Single trip, regular, zone, that station. So this is our station, Shoba. It's a 10 dirham. So you have to pay single way ticket, that is 10 dirham. So it's very easy. Just get a ticket of single. I got my ticket. So let us enter the metro. Yes. You just need to tap. The gate will open. Enter. So where we need to go? We have to go to platform number 2. We need to carry the Expo 2020 if you are going to Shoba. So let's go. Our destination is Shoba metro station. So in metro, you can enter to the gold class or a regular class, but make sure you are not in the woman compartment, otherwise you get a fine. So we have taken a regular class, so we'll be going in the regular compartment. Dubai metro station is very clean and the frequency is very good. Every 5 minutes you will get a train, but make sure you are not allowed to drink or eat inside the metro because there is a fine. So we'll be having a next train and after 2 minutes. So our the final destination is Expo 2022, but we'll be getting down in the Shoba metro station. So here you can see it's for the women and children cabin. For a man you're not allowed to enter, otherwise you'll get a fine. So make sure you are not entering in this compartment if you are not a woman or a child. Uh, in Dubai Metro, we have two lines. One is the red line and one is the green line. So red line, the stop start from Al Rashidia to Expo 2020. Green line start from the Etisalat to Creek. So our line will be red line. So we'll be traveling till Shobha Metro Station. For us, it will take 40 minutes from here till Shobha Metro Station. So here our metro is coming, which we'll be catching. So guys, this is our last stop, Shobha Electric Metro Station. So that was a very pleasure and easy ride on Dubai Metro, especially if you are new in Dubai. So guys, that was the journey of Dubai Metro from Dubai Airport till Shobha IIT Metro Station. I hope you like this video. So just give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your comments if you like to watch any other video related to Dubai. Thank you.